Hi there, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Today I have a super quick project to share with you. A little Easter card or a spring little chick using the Balloon Bouquet Punch. So this punch is in the annual catalog and it has two size balloons on it. There's a large balloon and a small balloon. And I have punched one of each using yellow and white cardstock. And I'm just going to use my scissors to trim the little bottom of the balloon off, and they turn into eggs. Don't you think? You can make a whole bunch of Easter eggs with your balloons, but today I'm going to make a chick, and the chick of course is going to be in an egg. So I'm just going to do a little zigzag cut across the egg, and then on the chick I'm going to use my markers to create a little beak and two little beady eyes. And instead of putting my chick on the card, I am going to make a little peekaboo, kind of like a puppet. So I'm going to put the glue dots on the top and bottom of my clothespin. And, oh, I gotta get a new one. And so we're going to put the bottom of the egg on one, the top of the egg on the other, and the little chick is going to go on the back, so that when you open up the egg, the chick peeks out. Peekaboo! We made this project at our Girl Scout meeting this week, and my girls just loved making their little peekaboo chick eggs. But you could use the same chick idea and put it on a card like I did. I used a piece of the Bubble and Fizz designer paper. I thought it kind of looked like chicken wire, so a little chick egg on a chicken wire background was pretty appropriate. It was a really just clean and simple card. So I hope you like this idea, this little chick using the Balloon Bouquet Punch. Have a very happy Easter, a happy spring, and of course, happy stamping!